this is Erin Gates from Lizzie Knits and Three Birds Yarn Studio, and I'm going to show you how to do the Kfb Increase, and that stands for knit front and back. So Kfb, knit front and back. So it's an increase where you worked over one stitch and it turns it into two stitches. This is one of my favorite increases because it's very low profile. It doesn't have any yarn over gaps, and it blends in nicely to patterns. All right, so here, my little swatch here. Let me just knit a couple and regular knit. Okay, now let's do the KFB on the next stitch. So you will be knitting into this stitch twice. So first, let's go into that stitch as if you were normally knitting, wrap the yarn, and pull the stitch through, just like a knit stitch. But for now, do not take that original stitch off the next needle, the left needle, excuse me. Keep it on the left needle, and we're going to knit into the stitch one more time. So we knit into the back of it this time. So take your right needle, insert into the back of that stitch, wrap the yarn, and pull it through. Okay, so now here's the stitch that we had right here, and now there's two new stitches coming out of it. Okay, let me show you this again. So KFB, knit front and back. So first we're going to make a stitch from the front. Okay, so that's like normal knitting. And now is knit into the back. So let me show you from the top. Take the right needle, insert into the back of that original stitch, and make a new knit stitch. Okay, and here, that was the stitch down there, and here are the two new strands. Okay, one more time. Knit into the front, keep it on the needle, now knit into the back. Okay, and then after you do this second stitch, you take it off the left needle. Okay, one more time. Knit into the front of this stitch, now knit into the back. Okay, and you take it off the left needle. So I've been creating all these little groups of two. Okay, and those were our two new ones. Let's do it again. Knit into the front, keep it on the needle. Now switch to knit into the back. Okay, next one, knit into the front and switch to knit into the back. All right, and now I've just I did it on every stitch, so I increased by a lot. See, it's starting to fan out a little bit. But yes, that is the KFB Increase, knit front and back. Okay, thanks so much for watching.